It's 3 o'clock. And everyone's almost awake. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to Montayo's vlog.
Yeah. Saan tayo pupunta?
Mag-iikot-ikot. Kamusta ng mga ibang campers din? Hindi ba?
We're going to Baguio.
We're going to Baguio. Morning, camper.
I'm here with I'm here with SC President, right? Who am I here with? Who am I here with? What's your name?
Judy Ramos.
This is our most masipag in our team. So what are your expectations for today? Coffee Jane. Yun. What's your favorite part about it?
The brain.
The brain, why?
Because we're very This is my first vlog. First ever vlog.
So, this is day 2 vlog.
Do you think you get more subscribers than Jay?
No, I didn't record day 1. So this is technically my first vlog.
Survival challenge, but kayo pang-record.
It's the big boy. Hello, big boy.
Vlog ka pa ng vlog, boy. Tama na yan. Mabubuno storage mo.
Eh, wala nga. Bagong phone to.
Hey, wait.
Oh my gosh! It's Chu! Robert Dane Chu! Oh my god, man. Basta. Nakagising mo lang? Are you excited? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So, dito kami natulog. So, ang hirap matulog dito. Wala kaming halos isang oras na tulog. And it's not that bad anyways. Kasi may halong excitement. So, ayan na nga guys. We're packed. And we're ready. Let's go to Baguio. Ah! Oh wait, my bad. Mag-assembly pa pala sa Saviadong. So, we're technically still going to the bus. Ayan, so nasa bus na. And see who my seatmate is. I don't know who he is. After 5 hours biyahe, we're finally in Baguio. And I slept a good sleep.
DJ Brothers channel.
Oof. Huh?
Crystally ka na ba?
So we got stuck because the bus had the error. We hit something. I don't know what.
Electrical.
Oh, the electrical, yeah. So, sinababa tayo.
Thank you for the support.
Because we're too heavy. Ooh. So, we're in Maryhurst. I don't know the full name. But we're in Maryhurst Seminary House. I think that's what it's called. And so, we just had an orientation, short orientation. So, hall. I don't know what, but we're in the dining hall. We're gonna eat. So yeah.
Pwede yung bawal na yun. Rice cake.
Tapos ng kumain. We ate. What did we eat? Pansit? Pansit and puto. Ooh, aura. That's so cold. That's so cold, bro. Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
How was the food?
Masarap.
How was the food? Okay, so we're going back to the dormitory. How's JD's kalimba playing? No, you don't like it. How would you rate it out of 10?
Maganda naman siya, kasi nakakairita.
Okay, you heard the guy.
Play the same song.
Okay, so we're gonna get our bags, right? Right, Paulie?
Yeah.
And our expectations is that Baguio is very cold. Hindi pala siya ang mainit. Say hi to my vlog, guys. Oh, no one said hi. So this is our room.
We have 1 year of meditation.
Room,
Dormitory.
but it's
not a
room. It's a hall room. We have roommates. Roommate 1, roommate 2.
Pangat ng buko. Ito, sa mga kasimano kag kasi Mario.
Hello, Tito Alan Montay.
Whoa! Hi guys. Kabalik lang ng phone namin. Na-confiscate. Who am I here with?
9 fan.
How was the mass?
The mass was so cool.
The games?
The games were the best tribe. Happy for the win.
Kalinga for the win. Sa jeep tayo ngayon. We're going to the night market. Oh! We're going. Kangandar lang. No door challenge. Ah! Oy! Oh hell no, I don't want to do that. Grabing ang alog. But it's fine. It's cold. Dapat ka sa akin. Ikaw mo lang. So we're gonna eat. What do you want to eat? Food. What do you wish to eat?
Food.
What are you expecting food?
Food.
Oh my gosh. Meron pang stairs. What?
Function room nga, private.
Oh, ang social. What do you expect to eat?
Food.
No. What?
Yes.
So this is the food.
I-time-lapse mo yung pagkain.
This is the plate.
Hell yeah.
And this is the hungry dude.
Hungry dude.
Hungry dude. And this is everyone. Woo. And everyone's there. Let's eat. Let's interview some people. Hello JG. What will you say to our gift? Ano yung kinain mo?
Ano gagawin mo dito? Ano gagawin mo dito? Tatapon mo lang doon. Kailangan naman isasayang eh.
How would you rate the food, 10?
9.5. Sinigang kasi masyado maraming paminta.
Ah, okay.
Ay, si JG. Tanongin mo si JG.
JG! Ito, malupit to eh. Ano kinain mo ngayon? Kinain mo lahat?
Siguro.
How would you rate the food? 10?
Medyo mga 8.
Oh, bakit?
It doesn't really fit my standard.
8 doesn't really fit.
Yung jacket mo doesn't fit you na. Especially the lights. It's very bad here.
Hindi yung food. Hindi yung atmosphere.
Yeah, the atmosphere, it affects the food.
Wow! Did you eat well? Yes, I did. Good job. What did you eat? Food. How would you rate the food? Out of 10?
It's a 9 out of 10. But the ambience is like a 4 out of 10. Like, don't like it.
Okay naman.
Parang nakakawalang gana.
JC, ano kinain mo?
Ako? Sisig, lechon kawali, kare-kare, at sinigang.
How would you rate the food out of 10?
Well, overall, I'd rate it siguro 7 out of 10. Medyo chewy yung yung lechon kawali, tas yung kare-kare. Pero masarap yung sisig. It's like, for the sisig is 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's crunchy.
Ha?
Hi, Chow.
Ano ba?
Ayun na, may chinachat. Hala. Ano? Okay, tatanungin lang kita. How would you rate the food?
Autobilan.
Ha?
Autobilan.
10.
10. Baka masuntok ko ng mga nagluto.
Okay, why? Kasi masarap. Masarap.
How would you rate the food? 10 out of 10. Pero my tummy is like 4 out of 10.
Oh. Yes, maraming pagkain. So many food. So much food.
How would you rate the food out of 10? 10 out of 10.
Everyone says 10 out of 10.
No. Night market. I'm just gonna ask you. How would you rate the food out of 10?
Boss, 10.
10?
I would eat JJ.
Oh,
Yo!
are you Chinese?
No?
Okay.
This guy's dying. Yo. Night market. Oh, there's Mickey. We're going to the night market. Okay, so ang goal natin is to just buy something with the budget I have. Yes, without getting any phone snatched. I am holding my phone, holding my camera with two hands.
If you see this video, if this man doesn't post in a while, that means his phone got snatched.
I got snatched. I got snatched. I'm the one that got snatched. Parang field trip to. Well, okay, first of all, we're in Baguio and it's kind of cold. Kinda only.
Kinda.
Not really a good.
Ang ganda ng temperature dito, bro. I like this.
But the night market we're going to is SM Baguio. Woo!
No, it's
Burnham
Park.
It's Burnham Park. Burnham. Wala namang sabi. I just love Baguio. We're walking instead of Cavite. It's only 1 km away. Okay naman. So we're in Burnham Park. So I can't really vlog inside the park because snatchers and stuff. So tatago ko muna na ng phone ko. And then I'll just vlog what I bought afterwards. So yun. Let's get shopping. Okay, so we're not at the night market, but there's a river, a lake.
I don't know. Night market
And,
hindi night swimming.
Hindi na tayo
looks so cool. Uy!
Kundi, kunwari. Oy! Diba cyber
Wait lang. Opening of classes.
Introducing your student council president. Okay, so the night market is finally open, and we're finally going.
Ayan na sila po!
Ayan!
Sila kraya.
Teka, baka may statue.
Meron ba dito yung dragon, yung ano?
Dragon fruit.
Yung candy na pag ginanyan mo, tapos sinipan mo, umano.
Wow, hell no. No, wala pa yun.
Yung 7,000.
Scout tayo.
Sa lubong bilhin natin.
Isa pong ice choco. Okay, so we're lost.
Guys, wala ka.
We're lost.
Oh, lost in the sauce.
Oh no! Sumakay ako sa jeep. Dito kami balik sa jeep. And kakabalik lang namin sa night market. Binili ko 2 strawberry na keychain. Cute siya, so binili ko 10 pesos each. So bali 20 pesos kasi dalawa for my parents. And I'm so tired. Gusto ko na matulog. Pero i-confiscate yung phone, so hindi ako maka-vlog sa bed. Yeah, so good night everyone. See you sa day 3 vlog or part 2 vlog.